Hi guys, thanks for listening. We're just going to quickly run through some of the cool new features on the RF11iQ app. Quick note just to make sure that you've gone to the App Store and updated the app, or you have downloaded the latest version of the app. You can search it in the App Store with Thor and RF11 and you'll find the app there. First thing we need to do is put in the server address, http:// that always has to be put in. 192.168.1.16 is the address of the item we have here. Press done and it's going to come and ask for a username and login. Out of the box, the username is always admin with a lowercase a and Thor RF11 all in uppercase. Then we press login and we're connected. You'll notice then all the icons have come up for each of the port controls and the buzzer control. You'll notice that the first port is lit up. That is because of the new auto restart feature. So we added an auto restart feature, which basically means if I press the power off on that port, 20 seconds later, that port is automatically going to restart. This is so if you connect a modem or router to the rack mount unit, you can then regain control of the unit and power cycle the modem or the router. Now, if you have multiple RF11iQ devices, you can add more. So if we press the three dots in the top right hand corner and we go to new IQ device down the bottom, it's going to ask for a server name, what you want to name the server, and an address. You can see the address is populated from the bar already, and we're going to call this one Office. And we press add. Then from here, we can press the plus sign in the top right corner and add another device. For the purpose of the demo, we'll just use the same address again. But we will call this one Boardroom. Press the add button. As you can see, we have the two units there. Now, from here, if we want to manage this list of servers, basically just swipe left on a device and you'll see that you have three options. First option is edit. So that if you want to rename it or you have multiple devices across multiple sites and you need to change the naming, you can go in here, simply change the name or the address or both, and then press the update button. Comes back to the main screen. Now from here we could keep adding servers by pressing the plus button, but we'll just do with 2 for now. Comes back to the main list. Second option is delete. So if we were to, actually let's add a third one just so I can delete it. We'll just call it 1 and 1 for testing purposes, add. Now if we wanted to delete that server, we simply swipe left, press the middle red recycle bin icon, and we've deleted it from the list. Now the last cool feature that we've added is being able to name all the ports. So let's say in the office, we want to be able to name each of the ports so we know what we're controlling. Simply swipe left on the unit and press the plus sign. And up you'll see the list of the 8 outlets and what to name them. So let's say in the office we've got the modem on 1, the router on 2, network drive 3, and so on and so on. So we'll just call these spare, spare, spare. We'll leave the other 2. Okay. Now if we just press set, that'll bring you back to this screen. Now if we were to press on the office and go back in there, you'll see that the ports have been labeled so that we know exactly what we are controlling. Now if we want to get back in to manage that list, we simply press the three dots on the top right hand corner, press new IQ device, and then we hit cancel, and that brings us into the list. So now we can edit the names for all of the devices, and then there's no need to remember the addresses for everything because you have as many servers as you need to in the list there.